This is the equipment I used for the Proving Grounds team match that just took place at the Sawmill. My teammate and I competed in the Elite Division, so we had to wear plate carriers that wore a minimum of 15 pounds each. My plate carrier is a Velocity Systems Mayflower plate carrier. I have real level 4 plates in here. A lot of people wear like basically sandbags, but that's kind of stupid. On it, I have a new placard I'm trying out. This is the Commando Store Pattern 84 2.0 placard. It's very similar to this T-Rex Arms placard. One of the biggest differences is this actually fits 2 .308 mags in each cell or 2 AK mags in each cell, whereas the T-Rex Arms one only fits 1. This also has pistol mag or multi-tool or flashlight pouches on the sides, and it's just built out of a bit more of a heavier duty material. Underneath, I have a sword front dump pouch if I needed to dump something in the middle of a stage, but wanted to keep it. Pistol belt, the Blue Alpha gear belt, Safariland holster, 2 S-Tac mag pouches for pistol, 1 for rifle, dump pouch. The pistol I shot was a Glock 17 Gen 5. At the time, it had a Parker Mountain machine barrel in it. I've taken that out. Aimpoint Acro and a Streamlight TLR1 HL. The rifle I shot is my homemade 16-inch Criterion barrel, Otter Creek Labs, Vortex Razor 1-10, and a Geisley trigger. My partner shot very similar guns. He shot a Walther PDP X Pro something. And then he shot a rifle that I built for him, which is a 16-inch rifle with a KGM suppressor and a primary arms 1-8 with the Geisley trigger. He wore a GoPro for this match as well, so I'm going to be able to overlay some footage of him shooting when I'm not, but he did not wear it for all the stages, so only for a little bit. I've got a couple of matches coming up. Then I'm going to shoot my DS Arms FAL. I just put a suppressor on it. If you're interested in seeing some matches with this, keep an eye out. So this is our first stage of the day, even though it says stage 5. That's where we started. In the elite class, every missed round, your partner had to carry those 2 cinder blocks down and around another barrel about 20 yards away. On this second position, I don't think I should have rested on the barrel. I should have just shot how I always shoot. I think it messed me up.
Go. Run! Go.
I don't like to make excuses and blame my equipment, but in this case I do think the barrel I was shooting was incredibly inaccurate. That picture on the right is the current Parker Mountain machine barrel, and on the left is the Glock factory barrel. Glock factory is holding about 2 MOA. The Parker Mountain machine is about 5, and I've been through either 2 or 3 of these Parker Mountain machine barrels now, and neither of them have been accurate. So this is my fault. I should have just swapped back to the factory barrel. It is Glock perfection, and I shouldn't have messed with perfection.
Run! Every skip is 10 seconds, by the way.
Yeah.
See if anything, and you can go for the silver.
Can he finish the Texas Star?
Yeah. Last guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, last guy. Go. Run!
I'm hitting the big guy and skipping.
Yeah, go for it. Hold. Go. Alright. Clear, clear.
So now we're going to shift over to the rifle portion. My partner's going to shoot rifle, and it's my turn to carry the cinder blocks for any of his misses. Elise here had to shoot out of 3 positions while everybody else just shot off 2. Can't really see as I'm looking at the ground, but there's a big rock he's going to shoot off of, and then kind of this teeter-totter horse thing, and then a barrel, which you'll see all of them when I move into this portion.
We didn't run that. Okay. We ran more than 3 times. We ran 7 times. We ran 1 per station. If you ran 7
Shoot!
I'll be yelled at. When do you want us to come back? Whenever. Just come tell the owner and they'll put your time. So if you want to do it between 6 but you'll have these next couple of stages.
Am I up?
Yep, sit up on that rock.
Hey, finish the Texas Star.
Left to right, 1 hit each.
So now my turn to do what he just did. There's 6 targets out there, 1 hit each. Every miss is a run. So take your time and don't miss. None of these barricades I had to shoot off of were really good positions to shoot from.
Alright, put on safe, move to the next.
Fuck!
You got it, man.
So I went back through and watched this a couple of times and counted up the number of penalties I caused versus what my partner caused. And I caused 100 seconds of penalties, while he only caused 40, so that cost us a lot of time.
Hey! 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 Alright, move on. Hey! 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 Oh, so clear. Good.
Go!
Alright, so now we're going to go back and he's going to go shoot most of the pistol I shot. Everything but the plate rack he has to shoot. And every miss again is I have to run these blocks.
Run!
Shoot!
Go! Good shit.
For reference, all the other classes only had to run 1 miss per station, so they had a maximum of 3 runs pistol and 3 runs of rifle.
Go!
Yeah. Yeah. Ready. Ready.
Stand by. Go.
Stage 2 starts out with a low crawl, and then we're going to hop
You're over the wall
over
first.
this wall, and we're both going to shoot Texas Stars. I promise you I can shoot. You'll see on this Texas Star I can clear it pretty quick. Targets are a little bit bigger and a little closer. So only one missed shot there.
Go, go, go.
So this is only my second time climbing a rope. I was getting taught earlier how to wrap your feet around it. There's a little black electrical tape mark about 3/4 of the way up right there. You can see it. That's where everybody else had to climb. Elite class had to go all the way to the top. Right here I lose the rope from my feet and get stalled out.
We gotta go all the way. Yep. I'm working on it. I lost the rope.
Come on. Take that rope and stand up. One more good one. You got it. One. Good. Fingertips.
From there, we're going to run down 3 bays and run through an obstacle course. Both you and your partner run the full obstacle course, just in opposite directions. I sped this up just so you don't have to watch the whole thing in real time.
About to go through that?
Just you. Just you.
I got rifle, you go pistol.
So here, you and your partner have to go alternating pistol rifle targets. It didn't matter who shot first, so whoever got there first, make the first shot.
You're up.
So then you swap and just do the same thing. I was able to get on the gun first, so I took the first shot.
You're up.
And then just same alternating course of fire.
Your shot.
Quick. Solid shooting.
Oh, open. You can send it, put it back in. Send it, put it back in. One on each side. When you're ready, put it in on minutes.
Ready?
Hang on.
Don't sling it.
No?
Just leave it loose. Sling it when you're done.
Yeah.
You got it.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Go.
So to start the stage, both of us go out of different portions of this little shoot house. I'm going to a Connex tower to shoot pistol, while my partner's going over to a minivan to shoot rifle. And then when we finish, we'll swap, and then we'll meet back in the middle.
First position, 7 targets, left to right. Second position, window. Same thing, left to right.
I'm still not super impressed even here with the accuracy of this barrel. I feel like every trigger press is a good press, and I'm just not hitting the target. I've shot these targets before at this Connex tower with a standard just Glock 17 and had no issues.
Unload, show clear, holster. Go, 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 go.
There you go, hit! Third position.
You can go ahead and set up on the barrel, but wait till he's done with his.
So here, all the other classes only shot from the barrel in the car. The red thing you can see my partner shooting off now is a third position that only the elite class was shooting off of. So we had a little bit more to a course of fire than everybody else.
Wrong target. Skip one. Hit! Hit! Unload, show clear.
Am I good?
Max, you're good to go. Go, go, go.
So there's 2 targets to the left of the bus, probably at about 200 yards. It's hard to see, but the wind's going pretty hard right here. There's a target straight out 300, coming back in at about 250, and then there's 2 in a brush pile right there that are very hard to see back at about 200 yards.
Third position, left to the window.
Moving into the second position here, you'll see a couple of shots. The gas coming out of the jet port, you'll see it fly away really fast. We had a good wind going.
Hit! Hit!
This car door was probably the hardest spot to shoot off of. There was really no place to get steady.
Hit! Slow. Hit! Got it. Hit! Third position.
I did also see a lot of guys dialing dope into their scopes for a 200-yard shot, which I thought was kind of wild. This is not really a match where you're going to be dialing dope. You should just know your holds and go for it.
Hit! 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 Unload, show clear. Breach the door of that trap house and save that baby!
So we have to breach this door here. Big sledgehammer on the ground there. The difference between the elites and everybody else is this door has a dowel rod in it, but for our class we had to break through 2 dowel rods, so it takes me a couple of hits to get through.
Tap him, tap him.
Just touch
My
me.
partner tapping me initiates me getting to hit the door.
What are your names again?
Max.
Max.
Kent Parker.
Alright, you got any questions?
Nope.
Alright, shooters, are you ready? Yes. Ready. Stand by!
So this stage you start with your hands zip tied together, and you have to put all your gear on the clock. Plate carrier, belt, hair protection, everything. And then start going up the stairs after you pick up your implements. Each partner has to have an implement with them. Your partner can carry your implement while you're shooting, but you have to carry it from floor to floor of the Connex tower.
Oh, you both got to be ready before you leave.
I can't get this on.
Got it?
Got it.
Alright, move.
What is that?
You're first, go.
Yep.
Wait, wait, wait. You're good, go.
Go on.
You're high, you're high. Reload, show me clear. Go to me. Show me. You're good. Alright, go on. Good job.
So I kind of just have the bag balanced on my shoulder. Since I don't need to be carrying it while I'm shooting,
He's bringing it.
it just has to be near me while I'm shooting. My partner's going to just carry it behind me, so I can make my shooting easier. These targets, I think the farthest one was 200, so everything else is 150 to 175.
Head! 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 Second position. I'm with you.
On each of these floors, the elite class had 3 shooting positions, and we also had an extra floor to go to with another shooting position on the top floor. Everybody else just did 2 floors with 2 positions.
Head! Head! Thanks. Yep, go, 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 go. Go, go. You're first. Where's mine?
Alright, Mac, stand here. Don't shoot yet. Hit. 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 Unload. Shoot clear. Clear.
All the way down?
Yeah, all the way down. Round to the other side of the connection. Tree. Like you're tired, man.
So now we're going all the way down the Connex Tower. We're going to go around to the far side and shoot a stock plate. Gotta take everything with you, including the big heavy bags.
Get it, get it.
Hit, empty, show clear. Hit, empty, show clear. 271.86, reholster.
Good job, guys.
What was it?
271.
271.86. Whoever's shooting rifles fucking cooking.
Thanks.
Dude, fucking awesome shots, man. That was great.
Thanks.
Shooters, any questions? All right, standing nice and tall, hands
Alright, this is our final stage of the day. You can see 2 other logs sitting there on the ground. The pink one was for female squads, blue was for everybody else, and red was for elite. The red log is a lot heavier than the other one. I picked them all up to see how heavy it was, and it was significantly larger. If you're still watching, make fun of my partner's thumb and his weird grip, because it's weird. I saw a lot of squads stand back a little bit and try to clear some of these from distance. I don't know why you would do that, but go ahead and hit the stop plate. I can run past him, put the log down, and we're going to run up to the long range now. So we got up here, and while my partner's getting set up on the tank trap, I'm clearing some pistol targets up close. And so now we're going to start. I think there were 7 targets up close at 200, is it close? 2 at 400, and then after that, elite class had to repeat those targets, and then we all had to make a 400-yard headshot. Talk about that in a second.
You hit that one already.
Is that? Oh shit.
Where you at?
Nothing. Now do it again.
Do it again. Do it again.
Mag.
So the first string here was 200, taking my time for the 400-yard shots, and then coming back in for the 200s again. 400, 400. Now you drop your mags.
Mags out.
Mag out.
And take 1 shot at a 400-yard headshot. So my partner misses the shot.
I was over the right shoulder.
Take a second.
You were low,
Each miss on that was a 30-second penalty. So really want to hit that shot if you can. Knock my camera off. So now I'm just going to go back and pick up the log and run back to the start. My partner's going to shoot the stop plate. And that'll be the end of the stage.
You want help? You want help? No. Go. Ah!
I have no idea what this log actually weighed. I have to guess it's probably over 100 pounds.
Clear. Clear. 26101. Nice one.
So we ended up with 3rd place overall. It was definitely my fault. We dropped out of first. I think we lost by like 16 seconds from first place, but I caused 100 seconds of penalties on stage 1 and exhausted my partner to where he missed a shot that cost us another second penalty. So definitely my fault on that one. It was a good match. It was not as much teamwork as I would have liked to have seen. It was more you shot a course of fire and your partner shot a course of fire and then you guys swapped. I can see just from the format how it's going to be hard to do unknown stages where you have to tell your partner what targets to shoot in what order. People in the waiting area are going to figure it out. So stages or teams that went on stages later would have known the shoot order and had a serious advantage. Either way, it was a ton of fun. I look forward to doing another team match with the Proving Grounds. Thanks for watching.